Hey everybody,
I'm JQ
I'm TQ,
with the Q Brothers.
and we're here to talk about shave brushes. In particular,
The Q Brothers shave brush. Yeah!
for the last year, we've been developing the shave brush that we wish we would see on the market.
Yeah.
And now it's on the market. Here it is. Jay,
Beautiful.
it is beautiful.
I don't know if you noticed, but I'm kind of an all black kind of ensemble dude. I love the like matte finish. I love that it's low key in your bathroom, but sleek.
This is a synthetic brush. It's been clear for the past few years, synthetic has started to rival and match the performance of Badger. We knew we wanted to do a synthetic brush. It just seems to make sense. And let's be honest, like if you can avoid killing animals for your brushes, why not do that? And still get the same performance? Why not do that? So that's been our mode for a long time, and people can choose what they want, but we both kind of have moved to synthetic and felt like we're not missing a beat.
Yep, I agree. 100%. I still own one of my Badger hair brushes because it's like an heirloom piece and I'm just gonna keep it. I have two other brushes and they're both synthetic, and those are the ones I use every day.
I just want to point out for the shave brush nerds, like it really does have the feel of the reason why you buy a Badger brush, which is thick nut at the bottom and soft silky tip at the top. This is really good.
I know.
But then let's talk about just the all black. So the cool part about synthetic is you can get the quality of any kind of the best Badger hair, but we did an all black fiber and an all black handle with a matte finish. It's easy to hold on to. We picked a relatively classic handle shape because in general, it just makes it super easy. You don't have to work to hold on to this. There's a nice big indent and it fits in any bathroom, modern, traditional. It really doesn't matter. It kind of has like this timeless, is it modern, is it traditional? Who cares? It just looks dope.
Black goes with everything, right?
Yeah.
And there is an embossed little Q logo from the Q Brothers on there, which is super sweet, which you'll see in a close-up right now.
It is on there as a gloss black on the matte finish. The other thing is, we just felt like there needed to be a really good looking brush that had kind of this timeless modern appeal at a really good price. So
I will just say, like, my other synthetic brush is a Mueller pencil. It's beautiful, but it is very expensive.
Yeah, this is very inexpensive.
Very inexpensive, and I have shaved them side by side.
That's much respect to Mueller Pencil. It's great brands out there, but our goal was to fill a gap we saw in the market. When people were coming into the store, they're like, how do I get into the shave brush thing? And they just wanted something that was
high quality, synthetic, super affordable.
And looks great.
Yeah.
That's what we went for. We got a stand that's matching that also has the embossed, the little logo on there. I don't know if you noticed that.
I didn't even notice
But so you get the set, it matches, and it works, you know? You have... That's the good qualities about it. As Q Brothers, we've made now a razor that we think is one of the best razors out there at a great price. We've made a brush, we've got a stand, we've got a beard oil, we've got a grooming kit, the German scissors, a bunch of things.
That thing's amazing. Yeah. You can put all that stuff together as a great gift, but like this is so affordable, it is stocking stuffer affordable. Well, which is like crazy for a shaving brush, right?
You could put
you
everything...
could buy 6 of them and pop them in each stocking. You know what I mean? Like
you could buy our whole line right now and you'd be like sub 150 with tax all day and probably some money for a fancy coffee to spare. You know what I mean? Yeah. That's where we're at right now. That's amazing. That's the holiday gift. Like just be like Q Brothers across the board and like I'm still saving money.
The beard oil was our formulation and the scent is...
Primo.
But
most importantly, if you're a shave person, how does it lather, Jay?
How does it lather? We're gonna use the Taylor of Old Bond Street Sandalwood, which is a absolute classic and is a good one.
There's just nothing you can say that's bad about that.
And if you're going to like, you know, test a brush, you want to do it with like a really standard, something something that you know how it works. This is one of the most best-selling shave creams ever.
Yeah, and it's just kind of like the performance of it.
So
you know,
I'm gonna actually lather this up in the
moss scuttle.
The
Sarah Bonneman pottery moss scuttle that we've been selling for years. It's still one of the best.
Hand
Yeah, and there's
Yeah.
boiling water inside. It's a cup within a bowl within a bowl, and it's boiling hot. So not only will this be lather, but it'll be warm lather. Oh, that smell.
I know. I used it the other day. I was like,
It's ridiculous.
this is why this is a bestseller.
Yeah.
It's so classic.
Yeah.
Maybe 90 seconds or so to really get a good lather going. You want to keep working the foam down the sides and then push it into the sort of edges of the bowl. Generally, I am a hand latherer, so I'll just show you this. I just do it in my hand. That way I can really see.
Yeah, look at
you
that.
know?
Look at those ridges on that lather.
That's the good stuff.
Yeah, so you really want to like keep working it till it's that nice thick consistency. The nice thing about the scuttle is that feel the foam.
Oh.
It's warm.
It's like going to your barber,
It's like
and when he
going
puts
to
it
the
on
barber with that
yeah.
machine. That's the beautiful thing about the scuttle. So the question was, how does it lather? Oh man, look at that.
Yeah.
This is like Dairy Queen. You turn it upside down to see if it's really a good blizzard.
It's
Concrete? Is that what the
it's
kids call it?
The lather's ridiculous. The performance is great. It doesn't break the bank by even a close stretch of the imagination.
Look at this. It's like, it's so thick. Just talk for a second about Taylorville Bond Street, just because it's so classic.
There's a silkiness when you look at it.
And it has a great
There's like
glide.
it's like a satin finish
Yeah.
on the cream, and the glide is for days.
The brush actually feels really smooth on the skin. And then look at like how evenly it's distributed with
Yeah.
just a couple strokes back and forth.
If you're watching this and you've gotten to this point and you don't have a shave brush, the reason you need a shave brush is that no matter what you do with your hand, you're never gonna coat the whiskers on your face the way a brush with thousands of tiny, beautiful synthetic fibers can coat every little hair. And when you bring that razor to your face, it's gonna glide through like butter.
Yeah, and because your face has a zillion pores and a bunch of little nooks and crannies, microscopic ones in it. And as you always say, okay, let's go to a wall. Let's each take
wall
a
is
bucket.
flat.
The wall's flat. Let's take a bucket of paint. You get your hand, I get a brush. I will beat you every time, right?
Yeah.
So now
I
imagine...
can go take a nap and I'll still beat you.
Now imagine a face.
Yeah. With
Which
all
is
of its
not
little
flat.
whiskers.
Which is
and
not
with
flat.
Little tubes, little fibers
Little
coming off
cylinders
all over.
coming out.
And all the little crags and nooks and crannies.
Get yourself a brush. It doesn't, even if you shave with a Mach 3, even if you shave with a Track 2, even if you shave with a disposable whatever, get yourself a brush.
If you shave with a machete, it's
Yeah.
going to be better with a brush.
I have shaved with machetes for decades. And let me tell you, I used to do it without a brush, and I have had to reconstruct several parts of my face.
In a nice way, dude.
Thanks,
Nice
I
job.
appreciate it. It was very expensive.
Anyway, shave with a brush. Shave with the Q Brothers brush. We'll
Shave
see
like
you soon.
your grandpa.
If you'd like to try the Q Brothers brush or anything else we talk about on our videos, you should visit us and shop online at smallflower.com, or come visit us if you're in Chicago at Merz Apothecary. You know where it is.
I don't know what venue you're going to see this on.
Just shout us out.
Share it up. And if you got any questions, hit us up.
Peace.